Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this is what I want to share right now. What is the difference between being religious and being spiritual? Religious is when you are praying to God and you are looking for God outside of yourself, while being spiritual is when you are looking for God inside yourself. This is as simple as I could explain it. So, why? Why does one need to go on a spiritual path? When I'm being spiritual, I meditate and connect back to myself. What is the benefit of that? What does meditation even do for me? I remember I tried doing it in college. Some people came and they made us forcefully sit. So it was good because that was the only room that was air conditioned, and I was happy that okay, one lecture missed and we can sit freely here. So, but then I tried meditating and I could not do it. I was continuously distracted that somebody is watching me or whatever. So I myself prefer to be alone when I meditate. What is the benefit of this? At that point of time, I did not understand. Now I do. What is the benefit? Or what is the side effect when you meditate? When you meditate, you expand your consciousness. So, expanded consciousness, how does it even help me? I do not care about expanding my consciousness, but I am sure you do care about healing, healing any illness that you have here. So, that is what meditation, being spiritual, would help you to do. It would heal your diseases, any illness. Number two, it will help you attract abundance. That money, those materialistic things you were chasing around, you will be attracting it to yourself without being attached to it. Number three, manifestation. Everybody has heard of manifestation. How do we manifest? Why are a certain people able to manifest easily while the others are not? There is lack of wisdom. But you can do it too. Once you know it, once you learn it, you can attract anything you want. Number four, emotional healing. There has been so much pain that you have been carrying, maybe since your past lives or since your birth. You've been carrying so much emotional pain, trauma. Some of it you do not even realize you have. It will help you heal it. Actually, there is a lot of benefit for your soul, but your intention matters. Why are you getting into this? When you have good intention, why you are trying to be a spiritual person? You want to help yourself, help your loved ones, or anybody. So, when the intention is coming from love, the manifestation gets stronger. Attracting wealth becomes easier, healing becomes easier, and you are able to heal yourself and everybody around you. So, the intention really matters. The path might look tough, but it is everything you need to align with yourself. So, this was the message I really wanted to share today. I could not, I was trying to make another video, but I could not. There was some error that happened. So, this suddenly came to me, and I knew it that this is something that is meant to be shared right now. So, trust your intuition, have good intentions when you are, if you want to be a spiritual person. It is a long journey, and when it comes from here, from your heart, and you want to join it, everything will align for you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my content.